Welcome to Shanty2Chic's very first flip house.
Woo!
Get excited!
We are so thrilled about this project, guys, and we knew that the only way that we could do this is if we documented the entire process with you guys. And so that's what we're doing today.
Not only are we flipping this house, we are going to build tons of furniture for the inside of it that we're going to deck it out with and share the free plans for you with, and we're going to make this house beautiful.
You do not want to miss a single episode, and today we are going to walk you through the progress we're at right now, which is mid-demo. We have torn quite a bit of this house up, and we thought it was such a perfect time to walk you through it and kind of show you what our little heads are thinking.
And obviously we're going to start with the first place, and that is the entryways. Right when you walk in, we walked into this entryway and immediately noticed the short 8-foot ceilings. It feels like the 1970 house that it is.
That's right, and another thing that we really hated about this entryway was the stairs right here. You open the door and it's like, hello stairs, you know, everything felt so cut off and so small right here.
And so we've decided we're going to blow these stairs up. We're going to put them on the other side of the house so that they can access the addition that we're adding. We'll show you that later. But behind this wall right here is the perfect place to put a study.
So we have some double doors planned. We still haven't decided if they're going to be barn doors. I think that would be really cute. We'll let you know. So when you walk into the space, it won't feel closed off and open. We've got some double doors planned for that office. It's going to be open and beautiful, and one of the best features of this house is the land that it sits on. So now when you open that front door, you're going to be able to see that from the front of the house, which is pretty flippin' awesome.
So as we mentioned, these ceilings are 8 feet tall on the first floor, which we are not loving. It makes the house feel old and dated and very closed off and small, and it's a big house to start out with. One thing that we really loved about this house that stood out to us is the gambrel roof. A lot of people assume that we were going to get rid of the gambrel roof, but that is what we are focusing on with this part of the house. We're going to get rid of the ceiling right here, take it all the way up to the second floor, which means we're getting rid of 2 bedrooms and a bathroom upstairs.
Yippee! Another problem we have this entryway is the closet. So it's a row of closets right when you walk in. We're repositioning the water closet that's downstairs. We're going to go tankless, so we're going to be able to get that moved. And then the other ones are just storage closets that are placed so oddly in the house. So we're going to get those moved and be able to see that kitchen from the entryway, which is pretty awesome.
So when you open this front door now, you're going to be met with soaring ceilings, 20-foot ceilings, beautiful rustic beams. You're going to see the fireplace in the living room and be able to see all the way out to that pasture outside of the kitchen.
Sounds like a perfect entryway to me.
Sign me up for that.
So the room we're standing in right now is the living room. It was the first room we saw when we walked in the house, and so we knew that this room needed some big bang.
So to start off, we noticed the 8-foot ceilings immediately, and we wanted those ceilings to go a lot higher. We're going to get rid of the ceiling right here, take it up to the gambrel roof, and we'll have trusses framing it out. It'll be beautiful.
So a few things we love about this room are the natural light. We love the windows so much, in fact, that we're going to lose the smaller windows and go with just a great big window. We've also got doors leading out to a patio that we're going to be extending. We're going to replace those doors with something beautiful too.
We've got this beautiful fireplace in the center that is really going to be the focal point when you walk into the house, because all of this will be open. Your eyes will go immediately to that fireplace. Right now it only goes to the ceiling level, but we're going to take it all the way up to that second floor roof.
So now, instead of seeing, you know, the low ceilings in the boxed-in room when you walk in, we're going to have a great big open space that leads into the kitchen, which is going to be awesome because they're going to be able to really, it's going to be a great house for entertaining, I think.
It really is.
Welcome to the kitchen. It doesn't look much like a kitchen right now, but we have really exciting plans for this space. So one of the main problems that we saw in this space was the walls. There's a wall separating it from the living room. There's a wall separating it from the entry. There's a wall separating it from what's going to be the addition of the new house.
So we're going to blow all that out and make it completely open to the living area and the front entryway. On top of that, we're also taking these ceilings up to the second floor. So we're blowing out this ceiling, and we're going to have the gambrel roof cover the entire bottom floor of this house.
Another thing we're super excited about is a giant island that's now going to sit actually in between both rooms. So where the wall is right behind you guys, that's going to go away, and we're going to be able to extend an island where they can really use this entire space to live in without being separated.
We're also relocating that stairway at the front of the house, and we're putting it right here where this bay window is.
Like we said, we love natural light, and now that we've got these walls down, we've got all the light from the living room coming in and from the front of the house, so it's going to feel nice and open and bright in here.
So even though we're getting rid of this bay window, we're losing a window, but we're really gaining all of these other windows from the other walls of the house. We are standing in what is going to be the addition of this house. We're super excited about this. This is where we are going to get the extra square footage and the extra bedrooms that we need, because we are blowing them out of that first part of the house.
That's right, we got to put them somewhere. So this is a very weird space. It's the space right next to the kitchen, and our first plan is to make the entryway from the kitchen into here larger.
And we've got the stairway right there, right between the kitchen and the master area. So right now we are actually standing in the new master suite. It's gonna start right here. We've got a walkway in between from the garage. On the opposite side of that, we're going to bump this wall out, and that's gonna be our new laundry room slash mudroom that I'm totally jealous of already.
Same. Facing the back of the house is where we have our master bedroom planned, our master suite, and it's so awesome. We've got 10-foot ceilings planned for that bedroom and a giant roomy closet.
And the bathroom is gonna be awesome. We've got his and hers vanities. We're gonna have a beautiful freestanding tub and an awesome shower.
And now we are taking that square footage up. We have some bedrooms planned for upstairs. How many? Let's test.
3.
We've got 3 bedrooms planned for upstairs and 2 bathrooms, right?
2 bathrooms.
So currently there are 2. We're actually getting rid of one because we needed to open up that ceiling on that side of the house. So we're gonna lose one, but add another. Seems kind of counterproductive, but it's really not, I promise.
It's not, because we're getting our square footage by building up. So we've got those 3 bedrooms upstairs, the 2 bathrooms upstairs. We're also adding a family slash media room. It's a bonus room, basically. Off of that, we've got some beautiful French doors that are opening to a covered balcony that is going to look over the backyard and the beautiful pasture behind it.
Yeah, that was gonna say it's perfect for this house because of the settings. We're really excited about it.
This spot right here is only 1 story. So we are actually blowing the roof off and going up 2 stories with 10-foot ceilings on the first floor and 9-foot ceilings upstairs.
And overall, we're gonna give it just a little bit more height than the existing part of the house because we didn't wanna see, I think that's one of the problems now, is it just looks like a little block house, and we just needed a little bit, needed some different pitches, make it look prettier on the outside.
Yeah, so while we do love that gambrel roof, we don't want it to be the main focus of the house. It's just the accent that really gives it the character. We're gonna make that second area with the addition actually stick up taller than the gambrel roof. We've got the tall roof and we've got the gambrel roof.
Ready? Okay.
We've got the tall roof and we've got the gambrel roof. Tall, gambrel roof. Tall, gambrel roof. Tall, gambrel roof.
You're welcome. So that was fun.
So fun.
We are so thrilled to share this entire process with you guys.
Make sure that you don't miss an episode by subscribing to our YouTube channel, and check out social media so that you can follow us along the way. Hey guys, welcome to
Whitney's Flip House.
Whitney's Flip House. All right.
That's right, and I think that's right, and okay. So this doesn't look much like a kitchen right now, but that's because we're not quite there yet. I'm gonna keep going.
That was like such a cheater entry too, because you're like, I don't have to say anything, I just have to say hi.
Okay. Sorry.
We're waiting for Whitney to prep.
Judge. Yeah.
We are standing in the middle of what is going to become the addition for this house.
No, you did it to me. I'm not saying anything yet.
All right.
We are so excited about sharing this entire process with you guys.
So, I didn't know when you were going to stop.
I didn't either. I didn't know.